Welcome to Academy of Learning Career College, North York. Step into the world of creativity and innovation with the Graphic Designer Diploma program. If you're passionate about turning ideas into captivating visuals, you've come to the right place. This course will empower you with the expertise to master industry-standard tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, while establishing a strong foundation in color theory, typography, and composition. In this program, you'll tackle hands-on projects such as photo editing, logo creation, poster design, and magazine layouts, gaining practical experience every step of the way. Learn the fundamentals of print production and bring your ideas to life with precision and style. Alongside mastering graphic design software, you'll also build proficiency in essential Microsoft Office applications, equipping you with the tools to thrive in a professional setting. This program opens the door to exciting roles like graphic designer, graphic artist, and layout designer. Unleash your creativity, refine your skills, and take the first step toward a thriving career in graphic design. Enroll in the Graphic Designer Diploma program today and start shaping your future. Contact us at 647-494-5544 or email us at info@aolccnorthyork.com.